Welcome to Utah.
Was that like
Stop my breathing for the video. I don't want to be breathing so long in the video. Y'all, it's a workout. Let's go! 40, here I come! Oh wow. Oh wow.
I mean, horrible.
Gee.
Oh, they're like doing downhill flight.
Oh my gosh.
All right, what's up, Lauren? How we doing?
Hey, doing good.
What are we doing today?
Base jumping.
Yeah, we're about to jump off of this cliff over here. Oh yeah, we got to watch a few guys jump off a cliff just next to us. What do you think about that?
Well, we're not gonna be flipping like them, so
No, we ain't
it
flipping.
shouldn't be as scary, I hope.
We're gonna keep it chill today.
Yeah.
Awesome. How was the adventure up?
It was cool, definitely. You know, I wouldn't say I'm out of shape, but I mean, it takes a lot of, effort.
It's a bit of work.
Yeah, but it was cool. Like, it was beautiful, so I enjoyed it.
Right on. How you feeling about the jump?
It's interesting. Like, I just knew I would be like freaking out right now, like crying and all kind of stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe when I get to the cliff, I'm not sure. But right now, it's just like it don't feel real, but it's about to happen. So you gotta
do
real.
it. Right on. Well, we'll check in with you after the jump. Let's go see that hoop fly.
Yes.
Oh yeah. We're in front.
Okay.
And
Like-
boom, we're
like there.
rolling. Yeah,
Okay.
that's perfect. Alrighty, Lauren. Also, once we're at the edge, I might adjust my feet a little bit.
Okay.
We're not going to go anywhere until we start the countdown.
Okay.
Just so you don't freak out too much.
Got
okay?
you.
All right, are you ready to move to the edge?
Okay. Come on.
All right, let's do it.
Oh God.
I'm moving with you.
Okay.
I'm following your pace.
Oh my God. Oh goodness.
And remember, I got your back.
I know.
I got your back. Once we're at the edge, we're not going anywhere until the countdown starts.
I know.
It's going to be real scary, but I got you, dude.
Okay. So we gotta move some more.
Oh yeah, we got to move.
Okay.
And
Okay.
quite a bit more.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, small shuffle steps. No worries.
Okay.
We're going to go a little further. You're going to feel it start to downslope. That's okay.
Okay.
We're not going anywhere yet.
Oh God. Okay.
Couple inches more.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. A couple more. Okay. Oh,
Remember, I'm with you.
I know.
I'm with you. Right there's perfect.
Okay.
This is us.
Okay.
Check it out.
Uh-uh.
Lauren, you did it. You're on the edge of the cliff.
Oh gosh.
Look around. How beautiful is this?
It is beautiful.
This is incredible or what?
Yes.
You got your hoop with you?
I do.
Yo, we base hooping.
Base hooping. We are.
Nice.
Okay.
How you feeling right now?
I know I moved back. Sorry.
That's all right. That's all right. You're good.
I feel. I don't know. Okay. Okay.
Do you feel alive?
Yes.
Hell yeah. Do you have anything heroic or inspirational you want to say before we go base jump?
Well, so I'm about to turn 40 years young.
Oh yeah.
So want to just do something different and cool, and social media brought me here, so here I am. And just anything and that's not serving me my greatest and highest good. I'm just ready to step boldly into 40 and just do more fun and bold and joyful things. So yeah.
Hell yeah.
That's it.
Beautiful. Well, with that being said, Are you ready to base jump?
Oh goodness. Oh gosh. Okay, you can do it. You can do it.
I believe in you. We're gonna boldly step into the world of base.
Yeah. Okay.
We're gonna step into the unknown and see how beautiful things truly are.
Yeah. Okay. Come on, let's do it.
You ready to base jump?
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
All right, remember, I'm gonna start counting from 5. Join me on the countdown from 3. We're gonna go after 1, okay?
Okay. Okay.
5, 4, 3,
3,
2,
2,
1. Let's go base jump. You gonna do some hooping or what? Yes, yeah! Base hooping!
Oh my God!
Yeah! All right, we're gonna get ready to get those feet up nice and high for me. And feet up straight in front, just like that's perfect. We're gonna stand up together. Yeah! Lauren!
Oh my God!
Yeah!
Oh my God! I can't believe
Yeah! Yeah!
Oh God!
Lauren, you just did that!
Thank you! Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, I did it.
Yo, you were hooping under canopy. That was sick.
Oh my God!
Nicely done. Oh my God. All right, I'll take this from you.
Oh my God!
All right, Lauren, we're gonna use this to get a photo.
Okay.
Big smiles right here. Yeah. Awesome job. Stand up together.
Wow. Jump from up there.
We're on the ground. We used to be way up there on top of that rock.
We did it.
Yo, how was that?
It was amazing. Like, definitely something I would say everybody should try. Like, it was definitely fun.
Yeah,
It
you
was
enjoyed
scary,
it.
but it was fun. I would do it again.
Totally worth it?
Yeah.
Nice. Awesome. Well, hey, thanks for coming out to jump with us.
Thank
The hula hooping in the sky was amazing. Until next time, yeah.